Hello, I'm Alan Kerry and I'm the administrator of Faith and Thought, a 160-year-old Christian forum exploring science, ethics and culture. I'm at my local nature reserve and I'm wondering, do Christians really believe that God is going to destroy this world and replace it with something better? If so, then you've got to ask, why worry about this one? The fancy word for theology about the end times is eschatology. But I've also been told that one of the so-called 5 marks of mission of the Christian church is that we should strive to safeguard the integrity of creation and sustain and renew the life of the earth. How can we reconcile this environmental concern with a Christian worldview that foresees the destruction of the world? Are environmentalism and eschatology fundamentally contradictory beliefs? Faith and Thought are going to explore these ideas in a series of online lectures this spring, culminating in a debate with a panel of experts on the 10th of April. We really hope that you can join us online for some or all of the lectures, and online or in person for the panel debate. The details are in the links. Thanks very much for watching.